Welcome to Joe's Random Reviews. I'm Joe, and today we're at the local RV dealership, and we're going to be looking at two different Sonic RVs by Venture RV, and we'll compare all the accessories. So stay with me throughout the whole video so you can see all the fancy features. So stay tuned, folks. Here it comes. Thank you for joining me again, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. Today we're going to be looking at this Venture RV Sonic Lite, model number 150VRB. Now this RV is a dry weight of 3,290 pounds. That means you can pull it with a small pickup truck or an SUV, which makes it very convenient. Now let's swing around to the front. You can see that there's a power jack system, there's one propane tank, and it comes with dual batteries. Now there's a storage compartment right at the very front. It's a pass-through storage compartment, which is actually very spacious and it allows you to put in a ton of your camping gear that you can retrieve from both sides. As we move further down, you can see this nice big window that lets in lots of natural light. Further down, you've got your Norco refrigerator access, and the electrical plug-in and fresh water fill is just underneath. Now let's have a look at these tires. You can see that they're an off-road tire. They're 15-inch wheels with a matching rear-mounted spare on the back. Now we're going to move a little bit further back and we're going to have a look at your drains. These are going to be your black and gray tank lines. And you've also got your furnace access here at the very back. As we make our way around to the very back of the RV, you can see the matching rim and tire that's mounted on the very back of the RV. If you're getting some value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. And you've got your utilities here on the rear where the city water connection can be attached. And on the left, you can see your cable and antenna hookup. Opening up the external storage compartment, which actually has quite a bit of space. This RV comes equipped with the hand cranking stabilization jacks on all four corners. When we had these manual jacks, I used a drill and a socket. It definitely was a fantastic tool when I wanted to set up camp quickly. Just leaves more time for relaxing. This RV features the Asdel siding, which is used instead of plywood, and it's got the off-road package. Now it's time to go inside and let's have a look. So I'm going to pan around from the right to the left and you can see how much space there is in this little RV. There's a ton of room. Let's have a look at the kitchen first. As we look at the kitchen, you can see this cupboard space up top, sink with residential faucet. To the right of the sink, you'll see a dual burner cooktop and you've got a microwave underneath. As we make our way to the bathroom, you can see that there's a huge bathroom here. You've got the toilet right in front of us, you've got your vanity and sink, and you've got a full-size shower on the right with lots of room to move around. This is set up very, very well. As we make our way out of the bathroom, you can see that there's a full-size fridge. Now this is a dual fridge, so it runs on propane and electricity, and it's ready to be filled up. To the right of the fridge, on that same wall, you'll see a small TV that pulls out, and you can adjust it to where you want it to be. Now let's have a look at the couch and bed. Now the couch here is a really good size. Now the great part about this is this could be a couch, or it ends up being a bed as well. You've got a Murphy bed here, folks. It's tucked away, it's out of the way, and it's set up when you need it. All you have to do is pull it down and off you go. You've got a walk-around queen-size bed. Now when I first saw this, I thought it was a really great idea because it really does save a lot of space, and it is an easy way to store your bed and get it out of the way. It really utilizes all the space in a small trailer. So the Sonic Lite is a single-axle, ultra-lightweight travel trailer, and it's got all the amenities of home. If you're looking for a smaller travel trailer that's lightweight and you can pull with your SUV or a small pickup truck, don't overlook the Sonic Lite by Venture RV. I give this little RV trailer a double thumbs up. For the second RV, we're going to be looking at this beautiful Sonic Lite. The model number on this one is 169VUD. The dry weight of this RV is 3,450 pounds. It's got a front tongue weight of 420 pounds, and its total length from tip to tip is 21 feet 10 inches long. So it's actually a really good size RV. The front of this RV has a power jack with a light, and it's got one propane tank and one battery. The front of this RV is really nice. It's got a beautiful front camp with Sonic. It's got some decorative stickers. This RV comes equipped with the 4 stabilizing jacks on each corner. Stabilizing jacks are a must in an RV. It keeps it nice and steady and level. So they're super handy. You can crank them down by hand, or you can use a drill with a socket, which is what I do. You can extend them and bring them back in really fast. On the bottom left corner of this trailer is a water connection. Your outside shower, so it's really nice. You're able to open up that black door and you've got the outside shower for pets or cleaning off your feet or rinsing off. Underneath all that is the gray and the black tank, and you can see the valves there. And this is where you hook up your dumping hose when you're looking at emptying those tanks. The bumper has a place where the dumping hose can be stored, which I really like. It's nice when you can rinse off your hose, put it up inside the bumper, it's put away and stored until the next time you need it. What really catches my eye in these small trailers are these large, deep slides. They really make a smaller RV look so much bigger. I'm going to show you the inside here shortly, so stay with me, folks. The outside of this RV looks really nice with a nice shiny fiberglass finish. This storage compartment is a really nice touch because it's a pass-through storage and it actually goes underneath the bed. The outside has an outside kitchen area. It's absolutely fantastic. It's got the fridge and it's got a cooktop, so you can do your cooking outside. I'm just putting up a diagram of the inside so you guys can have a good idea what it looks like before we get inside. As we make our way inside this trailer, you can see how beautiful it looks. It's really set up well. It's got a great kitchen area. It's got a great bedroom with a full-size queen bed. In the slide, it's equipped with this big dinette that turns into a bed as well, and it easily sits 4 adults comfortably. I can totally feel how nice and open this is. It's nice and bright. It's got a great skylight. The kitchen area isn't that big, but you've got some counter space and everything that you need to go camping. This RV is equipped with 2 bunk beds in the very back, which will fit kids and adults. Across from the kitchen, this RV is equipped with a gas and electric 8 cubic inch refrigerator freezer. There's tons of room for everything that you need. Now looking at the space this RV has, it is a really nice layout. With this RV having a curved roof, it really brings it up a little bit and it gives you that bigger space feel. The ceiling is equipped with LED lights. It's got a smoke detector, an air conditioner. It's got great cupboards all around the bed area. I really like that there's lots of windows in this RV. Of course, there's skylights. It makes it nice and bright, and it has a really nice open feeling. Now let's move back and let's check out this bathroom. This bathroom isn't that big, but it's got enough space for one person to do their thing. You've got a sink, some storage underneath. You've got a nice big shower with a curtain that comes around, and it's got a basic foot flush toilet. I think this bathroom is good enough. Looks like this bathroom has got quite a bit of space on the wall, so it's got plenty of space for somebody to install some hooks or towel racks. So in conclusion, I really like this Sonic RV. I think it really has a nice open feeling. It's got plenty of space, so I give it 2 thumbs up. Thank you for joining me today, folks, on Joe's Random Reviews. I hope you enjoyed this video today. Let me know in the comments below which RV you like best. Do you prefer the 150 series or the 160 series? And tell me why. If you want to see more videos on RVs, you can click on this link right here. Please give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please take the time to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one.